వెల్కమ్ టు సిఆర్బి 9 న్యూస్.
భోగాపురం అంతర్జాతీయ విమానాశ్రయం పనులను పరిశీలించిన సీఎం చంద్రబాబు. విహంగ వీక్షణం ద్వారా ఎయిర్పోర్టు ప్రాంతాన్ని పరిశీలించిన సీఎం ఇప్పటివరకు 31.8% పని పూర్తయిందని, 400 కోట్లతో ఫేజ్ 1 ప్రారంభమవుతుందని, ఎయిర్పోర్టు వస్తే చుట్టుపక్కల అంతా అభివృద్ధి జరుగుతుంది. 2026 నాటికి విమానాశ్రయం ప్రారంభం అయ్యేలా చర్యలు. విమానాశ్రయం ప్రారంభించి ఉత్తరాంధ్ర రుణం తీర్చుకుంటా అన్నారు.
Now, civil aviation, or otherwise, can you tell me National Airport Authority? Sir. This is 45 million passengers they can handle. Even assuming that 500 acres will give it to them also. It is maximum they are going to handle 45 million to 50 million with any improvements you can bring. Even Hyderabad, they can handle nearly 100 million also, even more than that, because of land size, all these things. Is there any possibility of optimization now itself? There is 2 runways they are talking. One is independent taxi, so that also they can use it. No, everywhere are having. Visakhapatnam, we have given 2,700 acres. They cut nearly 500 acres. That is available. We can consider with all development. Is there any other way?
No, sir. This is a single runway airport. Maximum it can go to 45 movement to 50 movement. Even technological advancement would take it to not more than 5-10 movement per hour more. So even after 20-30 years, presently technology which I can foresee doesn't allow it to go more than 50-55 million passenger. And second runway, parallel runway, independent runway happens when the distance between 2 runways is more than 1 kilometer. So, as the Honorable ex-minister was saying that if state government think that it should go for 100 million type of thing, then probably you have to acquire some more land and give in that particular geography in which it is already available, so that parallel runway can come. Cross runway.
How much land additionally we require?
So they would probably calculate and find out, sir, but maybe another 2,000 acre land. Because in my 2,000 acre land, in my understanding, sir, single runway airport can be built between 800 to 1,000 acre. When you go for 2 runway airport, you require almost 3,500 to 4,000 acre. In Dholera in Ahmedabad, Airport Authority of India is making double runway airport. So there we have taken 4,000 acres of land, which is bare minimum. We are not taking any land for commercial purpose, unlike here. So this is bare minimum AI takes, so it's only 4,000 acres land, sir. So for double runway, you would require 4,000 acre of land.
Even at the time they visualized only single runway airport.
So nearby area, sir. I mean, there's another area, near airport, some other airport in nearby area may be thought of. So cross runway doesn't allow the independent working of both runways because they merge either in the sky, so the coming traffic or outgoing traffic merge with each other.
Then also it's like having
one runway, almost one runway. So it works like this, like Mumbai.
Now it is too late to discuss.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. That's the perfect.
Freighter company.
That's the fair comment, sir.